To connect your Realme Buds T310 with the iPhone, first you will need to grab a case and remove both of the earbuds. Now on the iPhone, we'll need to open a Bluetooth settings. And then if you cannot find your Realme Buds T310 on the bottom, there's two things you can do. Enter pairing mode by grabbing both of the earbuds, and then on the touch panel right here, hold your fingers for around 4 seconds. If this doesn't work, you will need to hold them for around 15 seconds to factory reset your earbuds, after which you should be able to find them on the list. You can click on it to connect it with your iPhone. And another step that you can take is to download a Realme Link app from the App Store, and that way, if you pair your devices right here, you'll be able to customize a different settings that you can use along with your headset. And that is basically everything.